Question number 6. Show that the equation 2 cos theta minus 60 degree which is equal to 3 sin theta. Use the double angle formula. Cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So use this identity here. So 2 times cos of theta minus 60. So cos theta cos 60 plus sin theta sin 60 which is equal to 3 sin theta. Let's substitute the value of cos 60. Cos 60 value is 1 by 2. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So 2 times 1 by 2 cos theta plus root 3 by 2 sin theta which is equal to 3 sin theta. Now we can divide this 2 on the 2 is the common factor because it divided 2 and the denominator 2. Now we have cos theta plus root 3 sin theta which is equal to 3 sin theta. We have to show the answer in the form of tan theta. So we know that sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta. Let's divide cos theta throughout the equation. Cos theta. So this equation is going to be 1 plus root 3 tan theta which is equal to 3 tan theta. Now 3 tan theta minus root 3 tan theta which is equal to 1. Let's take tan theta as the common factor. 3 minus root 3 which is equal to 1. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 3 minus root 3. Multiply the conjugate of the 3 minus root 3 on numerator and denominator to remove the irrational number from the denominator. So 3 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 3. Now the result is 3 plus root 3 divided by 3 square minus root 3 square. So which is equal to 9 minus 3 as the denominator. So tan theta is equal to 1 by 6 because 9 minus 3 into 3 plus root 3. This is the answer we have shown. Hence solve. So we are going to solve this equation with the help of our result. So let's see the question again. Because the question is given 2 cos of 2x minus 70 is equal to 3 sin. Our given question is 2 cos of theta minus 60. So let's rewrite the question here. 2 cos theta minus 60 degree which is equal to 3 sin theta. So see here theta is equal to 2x minus 10. Here also if you replace theta is 2x minus 10 here. Now we can substitute theta is equal to tan theta. The first result is tan theta is equal to 1 by 6 3 plus 3 root 3. Replace the value of theta is so tan 2x minus 10 which is equal to 1 by 6 3 plus root 3. What is 2x minus 10? 2x minus 10 is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 6 3 plus root 3. By using the calculator, this value is 2x minus 10 is equal to 38.2619662. 2x is equal to, by adding 10 which is 48.261 261 9662. The period of tan theta is 180 degree. Period is 180 degree. So for next angle we have to add 180 along with this 48.26. So the next angle is 228.26196662. Again add 180 degrees. So 408.2619962, adding etc. Again we can add 180. But we need to find out the angles between 0 to 180. So here to find the value of x equal to, each angle we can divide by 2 and writing the angle as 3 significant figure. The first angle is 24.1. The second angle is 114. The third angle is 204. Here only the possible values of x. This is more than 180. So the possible values of x are 24.1 and 114 degree. These are the possible values of x. 7. Equation of the graph is given, which is f of x is equal to modulus 3x minus 1 minus 11 minus 4. Here find the coordinates of P. Here P is the coordinate which is intersecting the two lines. Here how to find it? The x coordinate is inside the modulus and the y coordinate is minus 4. So let's find out 3x minus 11 equal to 0, x equal to 11 by 3 which is x coordinate and y coordinate is minus 4. So the required point of P is 11 by 3 and minus 4. Solve the equation f of x equal to 8. Let's write the equation of the graph. F of x is modulus 3x minus 11 minus 4 which is equal to 8. Modulus 3x minus 11 which is equal to 8 plus 4 is 12. What is mean by modulus? To remove the modulus sign we have to put plus or minus. Plus or minus 3x minus 11 which is equal to 12. This equation we are going to write in double equation, that is one is positive 3x minus 11 equal to 12 and another equation is minus of 3x minus 11 which is equal to 12. 3x is equal to 12 plus 11 is 23. So x equal to 23 by 3. This is one of the solution. Here let's remove the bracket. So minus 3x plus 11 which is equal to 12. Minus 3x equal to 12 minus 11 is 1. So x equal to minus 1 by 3. So there are two solutions, 23 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. The line L has an equation y equal to mx. So y equal to mx. Where m is the constant, normally m is the gradient of the line. Given that L intersects the graph y equal to f of x. This is the graph. The line is intersecting at exactly one point. Find the possible values of m. What are the possible values of m? M is the gradient of the line. The line is meet exactly one point. If the line is meeting 2 points, the line is less steeper. Here or here, the lines are meeting 2 points. But we have to find the possible gradient when the line is meet exactly one point which is steeper than this line. So if the line is crossing here more steeper, this line will cross only 1 point. Then here it is crossing 2 points. So one of the line is m must be greater than 3 because the gradient of this line is m equal to 3. So if we are drawing any other line, the m must be greater than 3 because the equation of the line we know equation is modulus 3x minus 11 minus 4 is the equation of the graph. The same similarly here m is minus 3, here m equal to minus 3, gradient is negative 3. We have to draw another line to intersecting only one point, m must be less than minus 3. Then another one more possibility, because already we have found a point P. P is the point 11 by 3 and minus 4. So P is a point 11 by 3 and minus 4. Here what is the possibility of m? Let's replace here. Minus 4 is equal to m times 11 by 3. So m is equal to minus 12 by 11. So possible values are m is greater than or equal to 3 and m is less than minus 3 and m equal to minus 12 by 11 are the possible values of m. Of the equation is the graph with equation y equal to f of x is transformed onto the graph with the equation y equal to a into f of x minus b. So what is this? This equation is the transformation of the graph y equal to f of x. Here on the x coordinate something is added and the y coordinate the whole f of x is multiplied by a constant a. So let's find out. This vertex is transformed here 5, 16. Already we have found the point of P is 11 by 3, minus 4. So this point is transformed to 11 by 3, minus 4. This point is translated to 5, 16. So let us find what is A. The first value A is this A. Something is multiplied by the f of x. So y is going to be changed. Minus 4 times A is equal to 16. So A is equal to minus 4. Yes. Then what about B? Something is in the x coordinate, something is added. So x plus B, which is equal to 5. What is our x coordinate? 11 by 3 plus b, which is equal to 5. So b is equal to 5 minus 11 by 3. So 15 minus 11 is 4 by 3. B value is 4 by 3. So we found A and B values. Question number 8. A curve has an equation x equal to e power 2 tan y. Show that dy by dx, but the curve is given x equal to, here always there is a possibility dx by dy. Differentiate the function x with respect to y. So let us do here dx by dy, which is equal to, what is the differentiation of e power anything or e power x is the same e power x. So e power 2 tan y. Now we have to differentiate this term 2 tan y. So differentiation of 2 tan y is 2 times secant square y. Now dx by dy is equal to, what is e power 2 tan y? E power 2 tan y we can replace, e power 2 tan y we can replace as x. So x into 2 times secant square y also can be written in the form of tan. So 1 plus tan square y. 1 plus tan square y is secant square y. Now which is equal to 2x times 1 plus tan square y. We have to remove this y. That's why here what is given? X equal to e power 2 tan y. Now we have to take logarithm on both sides to remove the power from the right hand side. So ln x is equal to, this power is going to be multiplied here. So 2 tan y into ln e. Ln e value is 1 because the base is also e. Here ln x by 2 is equal to tan y. Now we can replace tan y is ln x by 2. Here dx by dy is equal to dx by dy is equal to 2x times 1 plus ln x by 2 the whole square. Now 2x into 1 plus ln x square by 4. By LCM in the bracket, so 2x times 4 plus ln x square divided the whole divided by 4. Now this 2 and 4 we can cancel because 2 and here also can be cancelled, it become 2. The final terms are dx by dy is equal to x by 2 times 4 plus ln x square. Now our intention is to find dy by dx. So we have to take the reciprocal on the both sides. So this equation is, we can written as dy by dx is equal to 2 as the numerator, 2 by x into 4 plus ln x the whole square. Here this is only we have to show the answer. Here 2, 4 are constant. Question number 9. H of x equal to 8 plus 3 sine of cos x minus 2 sin x, which is a trigonometric function. Write h of x in the form p plus r sine of 2x plus alpha. So we are going to write h of x is equal to p plus r of sine 2x plus alpha. So let us write the expansion of sine 2x plus alpha. So what is sine of a plus b? Using the double angle form, sine a cos b plus cos a sin b. So this h of x we are going to write p plus r sine of 2x plus alpha. So sine 2x cos alpha plus cos 2x sin alpha. Now h of x is equal to p plus r sin 2x cos alpha plus r cos 2x sin alpha. We are going to write in the form of h of x. So let us write the given h of x is equal to 8 plus 3 sin x times cos x minus 2 sin x. Let's remove the bracket, which is equal to 8 plus 3 sin x cos x minus 3 to 6 sin square x. The trigonometric identities, some identities are there. We know that sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Because here 3 sin x cos x is given. We can replace 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So what about for 1 sin x? 1 by 2 sin 2x is equal to sin x cos x. So what about 2 sin x cos x plus 1 sin x cos x? 3 sin x cos x. So let's replace here 8 plus 2 sin x cos x, we can write sin 2x plus 1 sin x cos x, we can write 1 by 2 sin 2x because we have 3 sin x cos x minus the one of the identity we have cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So what is 2 sin square x? 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. This identity also we can replace here. So 2 sin square x, this is going to be written as 3 into 2 sin square x. Now we can simplify 8 plus. This is 1. 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 sine 2x minus 3 times 2 sine square x we can replace as 1 minus cos 2x. We can remove the bracket. See, 8 plus 3 by 2 sine 2x minus 3 plus 3 cos 2x. This 8 minus 3 become 5. 5 plus 3 by 2 sine 2x plus 3 cos 2x. This is our h of x. So what is our question? The question we are going to rewritten as in the form of this. So let us write h of x is equal to, so we can equate p, we can equate and find p r values and alpha also. So h of x is equal to, let us write here, h of x is equal to p plus r sin 2x cos alpha, r sin 2x cos alpha plus r cos 2x sin alpha, r cos 2x sin alpha. Now equate the both h of x. So p equal to, directly we can write the value of p equal to 5. Now sin 2x sin 2x. So r cos alpha is equal to, r cos alpha equal to 3 by 2, and here r sin alpha is equal to cos 2x cos 2x. So r sin alpha is equal to 3. Let's find out the value of r and alpha. Here one of the value we found. So what about, we know that sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. Equal to tan theta. So if you are dividing sin by cos, we can find easily, we can find out the value of alpha. So r sin alpha divided by r cos alpha, which is equal to 3 divided by 3 by 2. So this r will be cancelled. Tan alpha is equal to 3 will be cancelled, 2 will be go there. So tan alpha is equal to 2. Alpha is equal to tan inverse of 2. So we have to find the value of alpha as the radian value, alpha in radians. So we can find alpha is equal to, change the mode of the calculator into radian. So alpha is equal to 1.107148,718. We can write as 3 significant figures. So alpha is equal to 1.11. Okay, let it be. We found p value is 5 and alpha value is 1.11. In the question which is given, all the calculations are not acceptable if we are using the calculator value. Here, with the help of these two equations, these two values, we can find out r also, exact value of r, because sin square theta, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is equal to 1. So let's add these two equations. So r square sin square alpha plus r square cos square alpha, which is equal to 3 square plus 3 by 2 the whole square. So r square is the common factor. So sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, which is equal to 9 plus 9 by 4. So sin square alpha cos square alpha is equal to 1. So r square is equal to 45 by 4. So r is equal to plus or minus, here the r value is also only the positive value. R is P or alpha are positive constant. So consider only the positive value of R. So here 9 5s are 45. 9 is the perfect square. 3 root 5 by 2. Okay. Now we can write h of x is equal to, our question is P plus R sine of 2x plus alpha. So h of x is equal to P value is 5 plus 3 root 5 by 2 sine of 2x plus alpha value is 1.11, which is the radian value. This is we have proved. Figure 2 is a sketch of the curve with equation y equal to h of x. State the range of h. So what is h of x? Just before we found the answer of h of x equal to, this is the expression. Now let us find the range of this curve, range of this h of x. We know that range of sin x is -1 to -1. So minimum value is -1 and the maximum value is 1. In between all the values are possible. Here the lowest value of this is, if we replace here as -1, this term is going to be -1. So the smallest value is 5 minus 3 root 5 by 2. If we replace sine of 2x plus 1.11 as positive 1, this term is going to be positive. So the highest value is 5 plus 3 root 5 by 2. So let us write the range. So range of the curve is 5 minus 3 root 5 by 2 less than or equal to h of x, this curve, less than or equal to the highest value is 5 plus 3 root 5 by 2. This is the required range of the curve. Find the x coordinate of M. What is this h of x? H of x is actually the transformation curve of the sin x curve. Here 5 is one of the constant is added to on y. Here 3 root 5 by 2 is multiplied by sine, and the angle is also 2x plus 1.1. It is actually transformation of the sin x curve. Normally the sin x curve is sin 0 0, sin pi is 0. Suppose we can draw the x-axis is here. So suppose this is x-axis. What is this? This is pi. This is 2 pi. This is 3 pi. So M is 3 pi and plus pi by 2. So what is the x coordinate? This is the x coordinate 2x plus 1.11, which is equal to 3 pi plus pi by 2. So 3 pi plus pi by 2 is 7 pi by 2. 2x plus 1.11, which is equal to 7 pi by 2. The radian value of this is 2x plus 1.11, which is equal to 10.99557429. Now we can minus 1.11. So 2x is equal to, after subtraction of 1.11, here 9.88557 and etc. So x is equal to 4 point, after dividing the value by 2, 4.942787 and etc. So we can write the x coordinate as 3 significant figure, x equal to 4.94. This is the required x coordinate of the point M. This is the x coordinate of point M. Question number 10. Two populations of insects are being studied over the same period of time. The number of insects N in population A T years after the start of the study is modeled by the equation. NA is given by the equation. According to the model, find the rate of growth. Rate of growth is always the differentiation of NA with respect to time. The population will be vary with respect to time. So, how to find exactly 5 years after the start of the study? So, let us differentiate. The NA population of A is equal to 8000 plus 900 e power 0.2 t. Let's find out differentiation of, because rate of growth, differentiation of the population with respect to time dt, which is equal to 8000 as a constant term, so 900 times differentiation of e power x is e power x, so e power 0.2t times the differentiation of 0.2t is 0.2. Now 900 times 0.2 is 180 e power 0.2t. Okay, after the differentiation, the rate of growth in the number of insects population is exactly 5 years after the start of the study. So let us find after 5 years. So when t equal to 5, the rate of growth is, so this differentiation is equal to 180 e power 0.2 times 5, which is equal to 180 times e power 0.2 times 5 is e power 1. So this value is 489.29072991. By writing the three significant figure 489, this is the first part of the answer. The number of insects NB in population B T years. The equation is given. This is the population at any time T, where P and K are positive constant. There are 10,000 insects in population B at the start of the study. So, when T equal to 0, the population of B, that is NB, is equal to 10,000. Then, when T equal to 4 years after the start of study, so when T equal to 4, the population is 11,570. There are same number of insects in population A and population B after T years. According to the model, find the exact value of P and the value of K to 3 decimal places. So let's do the population of B, which is equal to 8000 plus P times e power kt. Data is there are 10,000 when T equal to 0. So when T equal to 0, let's replace T equal to 0 and the population NB is equal to 10,000. So 10,000 equal to 8,000 plus P times e power K into T. T value is 0. So K times 0 is 0, e power 0 is 1. So P equal to P times e power 0, that is P equal to 10,000 minus 8,000. So P value is 2,000. P value is 2,000. Now we can replace this P value in our NB. So population NB is equal to 8,000 plus 2,000 into e power kt. The second information is when T equal to 4, the population is 11,570. So when T equal to 4, the population is, so NB is equal is 11,570. 11,570. Okay. Again we can replace here. Here T value is 4. So population is 11,570, which is equal to 8,000 plus 2,000 e power 4 because t is 4k, t equal to 4. Now 2000 e power 4k is equal to 11,570 minus 8,000, that is 3,570. So e power 4k is equal to 3,570 divided by 2000. Now 100 we can cancel. Taking logarithm on both sides to remove the power, so 4k is equal to 4k into ln e. Ln e value is 1, so 4k is equal to ln 357 by 200. Okay, so k is equal to ln of 357 by 200 divided by 4. Okay, now by using the calculator, k values, we have to write the answer as 3 decimal places, so 0.145, round of 3 places of decimal. Now this value is also we can replace in our NB. So our NB is equal to 8,000. This is our NB. 8,000 plus NB is equal to 8,000 plus 2,000 and e power 4k. Sorry, e power k value is 0.145 t. This is the general form of the equation, the population of B. See the last part. Find the value of t, giving your answer to 1 decimal places. What is t? Before that, some informations are given. There are the same number of insects in population A and population B after t years. So population A is equal to population B. So what about population A? Population A is NA is equal to 8,000 plus 900 e power 0.2 t. So here population, when t equal to t, population A is equal to population B. So what about NA? Population A is 8,000 plus 900 e power 0.2 t. That t is, we changed as a capital letter as t, which is equal to NB. NB is, just now we found 8,000 plus 2,000 e power 0.145 t. We can find the value of t. This 8,000 will be cancelled. The remaining terms are 9,000. So e power 0.2 t divided by e power 0.145 t, which is equal to 2,000 divided by 900. Now this division, the bases are equal, so we can write as e power 0.2 t minus 0.145 t, which is equal to after reducing two zeros, 20 by 9. So e power t times 0.2 minus 0.145, which is equal to 20 by 9. Here after subtraction, this value is e power 0.055 t, which is equal to 20 by 9. Here also we can take logarithm on both sides to remove the power. So 0.055 t, which is equal to ln 20 by 9. So t is equal to ln 20 by 9 divided by 0.055. So by using the calculator, we can write the answer as 1 decimal place. So T is equal to 14.5. This is the final answer.